Hey guys, it's Jimin. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to share with you guys how I created this pinkish and sweet Valentine's Day makeup. I wanted to create something natural, cute, and pink, so this is the final look. And if you want to find out how I created this look, please keep on watching. For the first step, primer. Today I'm using two primers. First one is Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer Primer plus Moisturizer in one. I mainly bought this just because I love Smashbox the original Photo Finish Primer so much, which we'll be using as my next step. And I know I've only tried this product once, but I really did enjoy it. Now I'm using Smashbox the original Photo Finish Primer. This has been my favorite for years now. Love how this controls my oils throughout the day. Now I primer. Here I'm using Urban Decay's Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Original. Moving on to base makeup. I'm using Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in color Light 1 Chantilly. For foundation, I'm using Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation in color Porcelain. This is also my recent purchase and I like how it's gliding so smooth on the skin, but it's too pigmented than my liking. I usually like very light to light coverage for my foundation, and it seems like it's a medium to full coverage. I mainly bought this because this foundation is my mom's holy grail, so I think I'll just give this to my mom. For powder, I'm using Milk Makeup's one in color Translucent Light. This is also my recent purchase, which there will be a whole video coming very soon. And I really do like this. This doesn't suck life out of my skin, yet powdery enough to be a good base for next step. For contour, I'm using Kevyn Aucoin's The Sculpting Powder in color Light. Contouring my nose, under my lips to make my lips more fuller, jawlines, and forehead. For blush, I'm using Clinique Cheek Pop Blush Pop in color 14 Heather Pop. I'm putting the blush very lightly on apples of my cheeks and across my nose to set the tone for the eye makeup. I'm going to come back to blush once eye makeup is done to balance everything out. Moving on to eyes. For eyebrows, I'm using eyebrow pencil from MAC in color Lingering. I went with more lighter and softer color for my eyebrows than usual since I wanted my makeup to look very soft. For eyes, I'm mixing color Willow and Rosewood from Clio Pro Layering Eye Palette in color 2 Handcraft for my all over lid shade. I'm also putting same color on my under eye area. Now I'm mixing Eggy and Sandstone from same palette and applying on outer parts of my eyes. I'm also putting the color on my crease softly and on my under area too, focusing more closer to my lash line. Using clean brush, I'm blending everything out so there's no harsh line whatsoever. Now it's time for glitter. I'm using Stella All Over Glimmer in color Heaven's Dew. I'm applying it on my lid with my finger. Guys, this glitter is so pretty. It doesn't move around once it's set, but also very easy to remove. I'm also putting the glitter on my bottom lash line using a brush. Now I'm using Malus from Clear palette that I was using earlier. I'm putting that on inner parts of my eyes. For eyeliner, I'm mixing Eggy and Alum from same Clear palette and applying very softly where you would normally put the eyeliner on. I'm doing with very light hand so it doesn't scream that I'm wearing eyeliner. For bottom liner, I'm creating a straight line rather than follow my natural eye shape to give illusion of more softer eye shape. Time to curl my lashes. For mascara, I'm using my favorite mascara, CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Waterproof in color Black Brown. It's the best mascara to hold your curls all day without any weird smudging. Since now eyes are done, let's go back to the blush. I'm using same blush, just applying it more so my cheeks can look more blushy. For highlight, I'm using Ofra X Nikki Tutorials in color Cloud9. It has such a beautiful pink sheen to it. I'm applying it on my cheeks, tip of my nose, nose bridge, and on my chin. Last but certainly not least, lips. I'm using a tiny bit amount of YSL Tatouage Contour Matte Satin in color 16. Using my finger, I'm spreading out the product. And while doing that, I'm going a little over than my natural lip line to give illusion of fuller lips. For gloss, I'm using ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in color Snow Day. To tie everything all together, I'm using Fix Plus Setting Spray Watermelon from MAC. Oh my god guys, it actually smells like a watermelon. Only thing that's a bummer is that the scent lasts literally less than a second. So this completes this video. Hope you enjoyed this Valentine's Day makeup look. If you like this look, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Hope you have a great day with your Valentines, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!